To get the geometric mean, so we have a problem here. So find the geometric mean between 5 and 45. So it means 5 here is a sub 1, then missing is a sub 2, and then 45 here is a sub 3. So we are using the formula of the geometric sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. So since we have a sub 3 here, we have 45 here, and then a sub 1 is 5. We write here 5. So we don't have the value of r, that is why we write r here. And then value of n is 3. Since we are using a sub 3 here, that is why n here is 3 minus 1. So equivalent to 45 equals 5. Then times r, 3 minus 1 is equivalent to 2. So to get the value of r, we divide both sides by 5. 5. Then cancel here. Then we write here r squared equals 45 divided by 5 is equivalent to 9. So to get the common ratio, we are extracting the square root. So we have here r squared equals 9. Then extracting the square root, then r is equivalent to 3. So since we have the value of the common ratio, which is 3, so we have here 5, then 5 times 3, that is 15, and then 15 times 3, 45. So the geometric mean between 5 and 45 is 15. So we have another example here. So find the geometric mean of 3 and 48. So we use another formula, which is A over B equals B over D. So we have cross product here. So B times B, that is B squared, is equal to AD. Or we have here B squared is equivalent to AD, extracting the square root. So we have here B is equivalent to square root of AD. So we have here B is equivalent to square root of, this is A and then this is D. So we have here 3 times 48 is equivalent to, so 3 times 8, that is 24. 3 times 4, 12, plus 2, that is 14. So what is the square root of 144? So that is positive 12. So the geometric mean between 3 and 48 is 12. So we have another example here. So insert two geometric means between 4 and 500. So therefore, we have 4 terms here. So 4, 1, 2, and then 500. So to get the two geometric means between them, we are using the geometric sequence formula, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 and then r raised to n minus 1. Then we have here, since this is a sub 1, this is a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. So we are using the last term, which is a sub 4, which is 500, is equivalent to a sub 1, that is 4. So we have to find the value of r, or what we call the common ratio. So raised to the 4 minus 1. So 500 is equivalent to 4r, 4 minus 1. So we have an exponent of 3. So to get the value of r, we have to divide both sides by 4. 4. Then r cubed is equivalent to 500 divided by 4. So that is 125. So how do we get the r? So by finding the cube root of r cubed. So which is 125 cube root again. So cancel here, and then r is equivalent to 5. Okay, so the common ratio now is 5. If r is equivalent to 5, so we multiply the first term by 5. So 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 times 5, that is 100. And then 100 times 5, that is 500. So it means our common ratio is correct.